Don't do it. Do not do it. No in ya, sir. No in ya. Me not have no money in ya. Me not want no money in ya. No in there. And new clothes. No in there. No in there. That not break my head. Not give me no ignorance. I'm wake up good this morning. Throw everything. Everything, baby.
Excuse.
Wigs and slippers and bag. Wigs and slippers and bag. I can help you too. I'm gonna keep comfort in my house. It's a single mother with 5 people. I don't need no money in here. Yeah, makeup, everything. Hygiene, yeah, everything. I be a new clothes. Nothing in there, daddy. Nothing in there, young man. Yeah, be a new clothes. When I wear, yeah. Yard clothes, brief and underpants.
Can I see around this, huh?
Nothing around there, baby.
Eh?
Nothing around there.
Watch it. Move.
Move, look, move, make him go.
Move. That way we're going.
Why me no me stand up behind there? You can't now mash up my things them in there. Cause nothing no there. Nothing no there. Nothing no there. Nothing no there.
Please will soon talk to me upon the work here. Come in.
Looking at my kitchen too.
In there so we are go. In there so.
Sir, please.
In there so we are go.
Comply the police, sir. Easy for you.
You see me, what we say?
Comply the police.
You see me a comply police? Is he complying?
Just comply the police.
Is he complying? My bedroom where you just come out on. Is he complying? The aggressive behavior.
Go and look at the police at now.
Jesus Christ have mercy. Sir, water in there.
Move.
Go back to the system. Go on.
Sheet and curtain.
Come we are go over there now.